Hello guys and welcome back to kbeauty. Today I'm doing my going out makeup. This is a cool tone with a slight smoky eye and individual false lashes with a glossy lip. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys soon. I've already prepped my skin with my skincare routine and sunscreen. Today, since we're doing a more full coverage look, I'm gonna go in with this Hints foundation. It actually has SPF in it. The shade is slightly lighter than my skin tone right now because it is the summer, but I'm just doing a very light layer and then the beauty blender will blend it out. Now the foundation's all blended in, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Brow Lift, which is a clear gel, just to comb out my brows. And then with a concealer brush, I'm going to take the leftover foundation and just carve out the bottom part of my brows. Okay, and now I'm going to set my under eyes and my lids. I'm just going in with the peach powder from Skin Food. Usually I don't set my eyes, or I set them a little bit later, but since I did use foundation, I don't want this to move or crease. And then same as my previous video, I'm gonna use the Wake Make Force palette, this big shade here, to contour my face. So I like to like suck my cheeks in and then see where I need to contour. So here and then the jawline. And then I bring it up to the temple. Again, you can see the difference. And then with a smaller brush, I'm gonna do the exact same thing for my nose contour. I'm gonna use the Milani Baked Powder Blush. Mine cracked, so sad. But I'm gonna place it on the higher areas of my cheekbones so it has the snatched effect. And this blush is a little bit more pigmented than my other powder blushes. And then I think eyes will be the main focus of today's makeup look. This is the Clio Pro Eye Palette number 14 Atelier, and it's like a cool tone mauve palette. I'm gonna start with a neutral and put it all over my lids. And then I'm gonna go in with this darker, slightly shimmery shade and put it above my crease. I also use what's remaining on the brush to just outline the bottom of my eyes. And then we're gonna take the darkest shade here to just highlight the outer third. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush to kind of diffuse the darker shadows, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna add eyeliner on top. For eyeliner, I like to use actually eyeshadow palette. So this is 35C by Morphe and a wet angled brush. I'm taking this mauve shade, it's almost like a black, to complement the purples in the eyeshadow, and the shade is It's a Date. So again, first I draw a line from the bottom corner. And then once I'm satisfied with it, I connect it to the midpoint of my eye. And then I just go ahead and fill up this empty space. Now that I'm done the eyeliner, I'm going to clean it up with my e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer and a concealer brush. Again, just dabbing on the back of my hand. As you can see, it really gives that lifted look, and I'm just using the remaining concealer to spot conceal some of my under eyes and problem areas. I feel like concealing with the brush gives more high coverage, but then I like to blend it out with a beauty blender. Now that's all blended in, I'm gonna move on to lashes. I'm use my Shiseido eyelash curler and then the Dr. Etude clear fixer to hold the lashes for the mascara. I'm gonna let that dry for a bit, and then I'm gonna go in with the Benefit They're Real mascara. This one is a little bit clumpier, but it really volumizes and elongates lashes, so I like this for when I'm going out. And then for extra pop, I add the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm just on my cheekbones. And again, I like to go with my finger for this. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it makes such a big difference. And then this is the most exciting part. I only do this for when I'm going out, but I like to use these individual lashes and then put them on the ends. I have to do this off camera, but I'm just gonna use lash glue, let it dry a bit, and then put it on. The individual lashes are on, and the reason that I like these is that it's like really subtle and it's not as obvious as like full falsies, which I found like never really looked that good on me. And then the last step for the lashes is I just use the eyelash curler and clamp it one more time so the individual lashes blend in seamlessly. Okay, and the lashes are done. Now I'm going to take a really light shade right here on my pinky and then just put it on the inner corners for another pop. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite glosses. This is a Tower 28 gloss. It's semi-sheer, but it has a bit of a stain. I'm just going to put this on my lips. And this is the final look. I always navigate towards a darker, cool tone, like slightly smoky eye shades for my going out look, and then a glossy lip. Let me know what other makeup looks you guys want to see, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Etsy shop. I also want to show my outfit, so I'm wearing this satin white top with a pink mini skirt. I think it's a tennis skirt. I actually cut it shorter and I sewed it, which I love doing to clothes, and it has this cute little buckle. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!